Batisi TV, Lone Rashapi, the Frank Motors, Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai, Junka Tata Motors, Halatko, Ni Shillong, Rinkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakirdobying Jompi.
Ke Bharatiya Janata Party hadu menta kalau yo lai pusan ngut ki Kyrtong ki banya aireng haki election ke ban salong ha usnem arajar arpulai shekayeng dorbar thawan jong ke jilla yakani la pentip do president jong ke BJP Meghalaya State Unit uba Ernest Mauri hakajing ya keren bat kilat pathai khubor hakasngi baar ke khat saw tarik ubanai jilleo arajar arpuar Hakani ka sngi ka party kalaya theria ta ya ka jing penkre ya ka jing trekam ha ka jing don lang jong ka national secretary ka Asha Lakra.
Just recently we had a big meeting in Turak with our party caricatures, office bearer, district president, Morsha head, mandal president, both level president, and we have already made a roadmap. That is, we have started our campaign, and I think you have seen we went to one place that is Mahendraganj, where on that day 700 people joined the party in Mahendraganj. So it's a good sign. We are doing hard work how to prepare for election, and we hope with all this yojana, this scheme provided by our Honorable Prime Minister, it has reached to the people and to the last person, to the poor and the poorest section of people in our state. I think it will help us to prepare our roadmap for the coming election. Till today, we have already identified around 35 candidates. Category A, we have 15, then B, we have 10, and again C category, 10. 35 seats now we are preparing. Some of the sitting MLA also they approach us for joining, and you are aware that due to this 10 schedule, they cannot join now. And I think by the end of July, I think there will be a picture that some MLA they are going to join us. We have in contact 2 MLA.